Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Honda Monkey, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Welly. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Honda Monkey replica comes mounted on a base plate with the model name on it and in a signature window type box, which is a standard boxing by Welly. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the packaging and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this 118 scale Honda Monkey diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Welly motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and is a definite miniature version of its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and functionality of this 118 scale Honda Monkey diecast replica. And please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Honda Monkey coming up. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Honda Monkey. And I'm glad that I got this model to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Honda enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Honda Monkey diecast replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this amazing Honda motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Honda Monkey coming up. The Honda Z series or monkey bike was a line of mini bikes made by Honda which have a model number starting with the letter Z. The bike came to be known as a monkey bike because most people look large in relation to a very small motorcycle. Onlookers described riders as looking like a monkey on the diminutive mini bike. The original model or the Honda Z series was a prototype called Honda Z100 and it was originally produced as a children's ride at a Japanese amusement park called Tama-Tech. It was eventually refined and put into mass production, hitting the European market in 1964. Most Z-series bikes are small, light, collapsible motorcycles made for convenience and ease of transportation. They have a 50cc 4-stroke engine with an overhead cam. Some have a centrifugal clutch and a standard 3-speed manual foot shift lever, making it a semi-automatic transmission, while others have a conventional manual clutch and a 3 or 4-speed gearbox. The monkey bike is the name given to the Honda to one of their small low-powered motorcycles introduced in the 1960s. The first Honda monkey was the 1961 Z100. Later monkeys were designated Z50 such as the Z50A in the US. The low power of the 49cc engine used in the Mini Trail and Super Cub has resulted in numerous upgrade possibilities, including replacement with larger and newer Honda horizontal engines. And for further information on the Honda Monkey, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Honda Monkey replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Honda Diecast Motorcycle Replica. And please continue to support D-Nation by liking and sharing our videos as it would really help us out a lot. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.